In this video, we'll be talking about ADALend or ADAL ticker, currently priced at $1.53, up 107% in the last 24 hours. It is available on PancakeSwap, which is really cool. Hopefully, they add it to MXC exchange right now because they have the lowest fees and they're hosting a Tesla giveaway, which is pretty cool. And you can sign up using my link in the description down below for MXC. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and try to hit 50k subscribers right now. The cool thing is, when you subscribe, is you learn about the hottest newest tokens first before anyone else. You can also slap the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, or I will slap you Binance a reply to me because I'm unhappy with something they've done. So you might hear occasional messages, pop-ups. Let's talk about ADALend. It's probably a lending platform because it's ADALend Finance. Scalable and decentralized lending protocol governed by DAO, white paper, light paper, latest generation state-of-art lending protocol. These flash loans over the last decade, decentralized finance DeFi space has been forced to evolve in order to keep pace with the development of the digital asset market. The ADALend protocol will power the new wave of flexible financial markets by serving as foundation layer for instant loan approval, automated collateral, trustless custody. Okay, someone's messaging me. That's interesting. Liquidity. What is this? Yeah, so the features are, the theme is, here's the development group, that's good. Token details, governance, yeah, it's one of the only ADALend protocol developers. I think I don't know how good this project will be with the decline in ADA projects. If we go and open up Google Trends right now, let's just load it up for United States. In the past day, ADA will also mark it for the past 12 months. If we go for ADA, you could probably see a decline. Someone would argue it's because of the crypto market going down, but that's not just, it's not just that, because we had a spike in ADA, I believe somewhere around here in the price, but we've been going down in interest. It's not that bad, but yeah, just my thoughts on it. Something that I wanted to check was the Binance Martin contract. The good thing is you can buy it there with low fees. And I want to see the chart. How does the chart look like? And hopefully the holders activity. There's something interesting. So yeah, definitely pumped quite a bit, but it kind of looks like a dead cat bounce to me. Look at this, from 70 cents all the way to 280. With very low liquidity, 50k liquidity. I probably wouldn't be buying any because the market cap is 50k. Liquidity is 50 mil market cap, 50k liquidity. That's 1 in 1,000, 1000x. That's too little liquidity relative to market cap. Because it's just too little. It's very easy to pump and dump, and maybe it's because it's on multiple chains. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on the project. That's just my opinion. Keep in mind, I'm no financial advisor. See you next video. Bye.